Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's TheBPlayer here, back with another video for you guys. And today I've got the third tutorial on the Scratch project. We've been working on the Scratch tank game tutorial. So till now we've made this, so I can move this, I can shoot bullets, I can move this, and I can shoot bullets. And also when you hit another person, which I am really bad at aiming, whoa, so when you hit another person, it just stops the game and nothing happens. So for today's tutorial, I thought I thought add a game over screen and walls so you can protect yourself and not get hit by the bullet, because it's like too plain and you might get hit by a bullet instantly. And also maybe I'll add a starting point or so you start in a specific place. And I guess that's all. So before this video starts, make sure to go down and hit the like button, subscribe, tap on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new content from TheFatRat. And I think that's all in now. Roll the intro. Okay, so for now, I think I'll start by placing them in a specific position. I'm just gonna get it out here, minus 150 and 15. So I'm gonna do it, go to minus 150, minus 150, and this is 15. So if I do that, it goes to that place. Now this is gonna be it's minus 240, minus 240. So I'll duplicate this, I guess, 150 and 15. So that should make them aligned. Okay, I want to see if this is okay. This is one cool feature. You can't shoot and turn or stuff, or else it'll be too OP. You could just like go around and make a missile. So next, I think I'll do a game over screen. So I just go to back. I just went to backdrop here, and I'll make another backdrop. OVR game over, and I think I'll do a time lapse here. So let's go. Okay, so I have done with my game over screen. It looks pretty good. And if you want the font, it's font mystery, I guess, mystery. And also, as you saw, I duplicated that because I thought the background was too plain, just white. So I made that. Now we need to script it, we need to code it so it like stays that. Also, I really don't know how to explain this, so I'm gonna switch backdrop to game. Then here, or in the bullets, I'm gonna do if touching tank, then look, switch backdrop to game over, switch back to the game over. So that should basically do this. What it's supposed to do is yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. and I think I'll hide show and then no, I can't do it. I'll leave it. I think maybe here. Looks go to front instead. Go to front here. Okay, never mind. I think it's gonna be okay like this. Basically that's boom. So now that we've coded the game over screen, I think also one thing I remembered. It's 90 degrees and the other one. And this it's left, it's facing left. So that's gonna make sure that happens. So yeah, it's like facing. I mean, you could just spam and then win. So maybe I'll do it facing the other side, so it'll be much easier. I mean, this is the other side. Okay. So they'll be facing the other side, and you can run around. Now for the walls. I'm getting confused. I think I'll make the walls green just because there is no green. I didn't use green here. I mean, it could be anything if you want it to be. So green, this bright one. I'll just use this, and then just make some simple walls, like on the corners. I hope these tanks can fit through this small hole type boxes I make. Okay, I feel like it can fit through, so but still it doesn't look like it's gonna fit through, so I'm gonna make this a bit smaller. Now it looks like it's gonna fit through, but it's gonna have to squeeze through. I think I'll go oh, never mind. I'll do, wait, what? Stop. Stoop, please. Stoop. Why can't I do this? Okay, I'm gonna, oh my god. Okay, there was this thing here. I'm gonna cut that out. That's what has been annoying us, I guess. Okay. Arg. No, I'm getting confused a bit. So I'm gonna first of all group that. Then it's gonna be okay. And just basically hope for the best, and sort of done here. Sort of, I guess it's okay. Looks like it's okay. Oh, never mind. It's a little bit bigger. Whoa, no! What did I do? Oh my god. Make it a bit smaller. So the background is like, it has a border, but it's basically just a little bit on the offside. A little bit off. Now I will do bang. I guess that's basically it. Then I'll add a wall in the middle so it's not like very easy to kill. Maybe, or maybe just this, like this here, and then the one here is off center. That's one thing to keep in mind. And I think I'll add another one over here, I'm just trying to make it like a little bit symmetrical at the same time. I'm keeping this one's 10. So this is like, this looks like a fun map, but I think I'll upgrade this a little bit. I don't know. Just one more thing, I guess. Hooks, motion sensing. Is there a way to... Can you go to yourself? Actually, I think you can. I'll try this and put that there. So I've got go to myself. So now I have to go to this if, where is it starting? If touching color that, then go to tank 2. So I feel like I can run around, but if I touch, wow, okay, no mind. Is it this color? What? Why is the color not working? Why did I make it red? Wait, what? Okay, never mind. This doesn't work. Maybe I'll do... I'm really confused right now. Maybe just I'll do this. Never mind, I'll do this. -5. If you go backwards, then it's gonna be tricky. If you go backwards, then it's gonna be like a glitch. I really don't know how to fix this, so it's gonna be, it's hard for me to fix. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, okay. That's how you go to walls. I really don't know how to fix this. If you know how to fix this, then please comment down below, because it's really annoying for me when this happens. Like, look at that, I can't even move nicely. It annoys me a little bit. Whoa, I'm like stuck there. It pushes me. I'm pressing the button to go forward and it's like that. Tank doesn't let me go through. Boom. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna go to here. Let's go. I'm gonna hide here. If I wanna get out of here, shot. Boom. So I'll just duplicate that. Put that there. And basically that's it. Next, I think I want the bullets. Now, when it hits the wall, it doesn't go through the wall. So I'll just make it if touching edge or touching color. If touching edge or touching color, color is this one. So basically what this does is, if it's touching edge, which is this side here, not this black line, is the other one. If it just checks if it's touching edge or this color. So if it's touching edge, it will delete. If it's touching green, this color, it will delete. So if we try this here, okay, so it doesn't like go through the walls, it just deletes. So let's see if I am touching the wall, does it like affect me? Because I was thinking maybe it would affect me in a weird way. Okay, it doesn't. So it doesn't affect me. I found a secret. Holy crap! Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay, never mind. No, I'm stuck again. I'm in the corners. Okay, so let me just go through what we did in today's video. Today's video, we went through these backdrops. Today's video we made is so we had walls in our games and they could like deflect bullets. Then we made a game over screen. Then we made it like specific positions for the tanks to start in. So I think like this is the end of the tutorial for this tank series. I think I'll start in next one, in which I'm not sure. I think like bombs fall down from the sky and you have to run away, sort of like Tetris that tries to kill you. Maybe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down and hit the like button, subscribe, tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new content from TheBPlayer. And I think I'll see you next time.